entry, Mr. Sean Work. He is our test puller, the first class, the first puller. He will get the option at the end of this pull to say, yeah, I like it a lot, or you know what, I think I'll come back and try this again. Every first puller in each class has that option as the test puller. Provided the sled is set correctly and track officials are happy, if he says good, we'll take that as the lead mark. I just want y'all to know that I drove 8 hours to be here with you tonight, and y'all don't have any straight roads, like none. But it's okay, I'm here. It's all good. Here we go, we got green lights flashing. We got green flags waving. Here he comes, the headstrong entry, Mr. Sean Work. Bad way to start the night off. Just passed that 250 and he is already stuck that thumb out and said, I don't think so. I want some more of that. I'm going to come back because I know that this tractor is stronger than 280-ish feet. 510 cubic inches these tractors are. That has to be an agricultural style block. Fully stock Imperial sheet metal. Under that sheet metal, they can do some pretty cool stuff, as you can imagine. Limited to a 3x3.5 turbo on these tractors, and only one single turbo. Against the odds, out of Berrien Springs, Michigan, Mr. Tim Jones. See, he has moved completely to the opposite side of the track to where Sean went down. Each puller has the option of where he wants that sled to start from, which side, left side, right side, middle side, whatever side they so choose. And we've gone from the right to the left so far after 2 pullers. High-pressure, water-injected tractors. See the green lights flashing on the sled. We have got 2 green flags on the track. Here comes against the odds, out of Michigan, Mr. Tim Jones. The white lines going down each side of the track. Now the tractor cannot touch those white lines whatsoever. If the sled hits it, that's okay. But any part of that tractor touches one of those white lines and the driver is disqualified. But 3:03:42, the mark to beat. 3:03:42 for Mr. Tim Jones and against the odds. A very nice way to start the night here. In Io, Mr. Adam Smith, the Wild Child Express. Trying to get down around 305 feet to take the lead. We shall see how that works out. See, 2K tractor so far. This one's got kind of a green tint on it. I'm going to say this is a John Deere. Got any John Deere fans here tonight? No? One? That ain't bad. That's one more than I had at the last place I went. know by how much, but I know it's farther. Man, it is close. Everybody's stopping right in the same mark. Who thinks he got him? Who thinks he took the lead? Anybody? Uh-oh. Oh, I've just been told he crossed the line. Out of bounds over on the opposite side of the track.
If he got it in the line, he'd been in the lead, I think.
Man, what a heartbreak. For sheet metal on this case. More toward the left side of the track starting out, and I bet he ends up on the right side. That's the way everybody's been pulling, but we shall see. 3:04.68 is still the mark.